Today we're talking about enzyme substrates and substrates. So, what are enzymes and substrates? Substrates are like things in your body that merge together using enzymes. Enzymes are like the things that disapart the substrates or connect the substrates. So let's start with the factors, or shall we start with the basic stuff? Okay, let's start with the basic stuff. So first, all you need to know is that an enzyme has two things in the common. They can fit in with specific substrates. They have two keys. So when a substrate fits in one of its physical shapes, then another one gets in the other physical shape. Then the substrates merge together, and the enzymes let it go and makes a new compound. So also enzymes can make themselves apart. Some enzymes have one huge receptor, and they break apart the substrates that have been merged. Now, let's see what slows down substrate merging using enzymes. So, effects on temperature, pH, heavy element. So let's see the graphs. It says that the quality is the highest at 40, and then it ends at 80 and 0 degrees. 40 is the best point. And then let's see pH levels. They say that pH 7, which is in the middle, is the highest point. So water is the best place.
我觉得它要 neutral 的这个环境。
Yeah. But we are acidic, so it doesn't work in the tub or somewhere else. Maybe in the intestines.
在胃里面就不太合适，因为它是 acidic， 就是酸的。
They're like one.
它会死掉吗？
No, or just like lazy.
Okay.
Not productive.
Okay.
And not gonna do any substrate merging again. And then finally, metal. If there's high concentration of high metal, they are very heavy.
重金属
Yeah.
怎么样嘞？它就
Slows down the substrate. And if there's too much, the substrates are not gonna get merged, and the enzyme goes on holiday.
所以你身体内的辅酶如果要工作的话，要符合3个条件。
Yeah.
一个是 neutral 的一个环境，然后温度的话是在40度左右，
Yeah.
最后就是不要有 heavy metal，
Yeah.
不要有重金属。Okay. Anything more?
Well, I think it's sensible to have substrates in a not acidic place. I mean, it makes sense if you know a lot of, chemical stuff. It makes a lot of sense of how it slows down if you know a lot of physical stuff. But if you don't, carry on. Search on Google.
Okay. Thank you.
Bilibili is for you if you're Chinese. YouTube is for you if you're American.
Okay.
And Russian and India, I don't know any